If your pores look more noticeable than they used to, and your skin looks textured or uneven no matter what you try, this is probably not happening for the reason you think. Because your pores are not actually getting bigger, they're becoming more visible, and once you understand why, it becomes much easier to fix. Let's break it down. Pores don't open and close like most people think. They don't expand and shrink on command. What actually changes is how visible they appear on the surface of your skin. Pores start to look more noticeable when they become filled with oil, dead skin, and debris. When that buildup stretches the pore, it creates that uneven, textured look that a lot of people struggle with. Another big factor is oil production. If your skin produces more oil, it fills the pores and makes them stand out more. That's why people with oily skin often feel like their pores look bigger. But here's something most people don't realize. Dehydration can also make your pores look worse. When your skin lacks water, it looks dull and uneven, which makes texture and pores more visible. And then there's collagen. As your skin loses firmness over time, pores can look more stretched and less supported. So the goal is not to shrink pores. The goal is to make them look smaller by improving what's happening around them. Now let's talk about what might be making your pores look worse without you realizing it. Over-cleansing is a big one. If you're stripping your skin, your body produces more oil to compensate. Over-exfoliating is another mistake. Too much exfoliation can damage your skin barrier and actually make your texture worse. And using heavy or pore-clogging products can lead to buildup inside the pores. Now here's what actually helps. First, you want to keep your pores clear. This means using gentle exfoliation to remove buildup inside the pores, not just on the surface. Second, you want to balance your skin. When your skin is properly hydrated and supported, it produces less excess oil. Third, you want to support collagen and skin firmness. This helps improve how tight and smooth your skin looks overall. A simple routine looks like this. Start with a gentle cleanser. Use an exfoliating treatment a few times per week to help clear out pores. Follow with hydrating and barrier-supporting products. And then use a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin balanced. Some people also add treatments like LED light therapy to support overall skin clarity and texture. This can help improve how smooth and even your skin looks over time. But here's the most important part. Most people are using routines that don't match their actual skin concerns. Some people are dealing with clogged pores, others with dehydration, oil imbalance, or loss of firmness. And if you're using the wrong routine, your pores will keep looking noticeable no matter what. That's why I created a tool that builds a personalized skincare routine based on your skin. If you want to try it, just click the link in the description. It will help you figure out exactly what your skin needs, instead of guessing. The key to improving your pores is not trying to shrink them. It's improving your skin overall. When your skin is clear, balanced, and supported, your pores naturally look smaller and less noticeable. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more skincare tips that actually make sense.